Vinyl, composite, or aluminum? Which is the best for your home? It's one of the most common questions we get, and it's not as simple as picking the most expensive option. The best window material depends on your home, your budget, and the climate here in Houston. When you're replacing your windows, the frame material plays a big role in energy efficiency, maintenance, durability, and the overall look of your home. Let's break down the top 3 options so you can make an informed decision for your home. Let's start with vinyl windows. Vinyl is the most popular because it's affordable, energy efficient, and low maintenance. It won't rot, peel, or require painting because it's built for Houston heat and humidity. If you're looking for windows that offer excellent performance without stretching your budget, vinyl is the great option for many homeowners. Next is composite. Composite windows are engineered for strength and durability. They resist expansion and contraction caused by changing temperatures and offer excellent insulation. Homeowners choose composite because it combines long-term performance with premium appearance. If you're planning to stay in your home for years to come, composite definitely worth considering. And finally, there's aluminum. Aluminum windows are known for their clean, modern look and slim frames, which allow larger glass panes and more natural light. They're incredibly strong, making them the right choice for contemporary homes. Because aluminum conducts heat more easily than vinyl and composite, choosing high-performance glass is especially important in Houston's climate. So which material is the right choice? If you're looking for affordability, low maintenance, and energy efficiency, vinyl is an excellent option. If durability, long-term performance are your top priorities, composite might be a better fit. And if you love modern designs and larger windows, aluminum can be a great choice when paired with energy-efficient glass. The best windows aren't just about the materials. It's about choosing the right product for your home and having it installed correctly. If you're thinking about replacing your windows, visit our website or give us a call today. We'd be happy to walk you through all the options and find the perfect fit for your home.